Today I'm testing Base44, which is the sponsor of this video. We will build a real handmade wooden product webshop from scratch, without writing a single line of code. Not only the frontend, also the backend and the full system like admin dashboard, payment integration will be done by Base44. And that's just with natural language by prompting. Let's go in. So first you go on base44.com. Here with an overview about the tool, you can build your own apps, website, products and AI agents on Base44 using your own words just by prompting. So everything starts with a prompt. Many creators, makers and small businesses have great product ideas, but building an e-commerce website is often expensive, time consuming or technically difficult. For this I want to create a modern webshop selling handmade wooden products with a complete admin dashboard including products, inventory, orders, customers, sales, analytics and also a payment integration. First we want to plan it, hit enter. Now in the agent mode here, he is analyzing our prompt, gathering all information he needs, a technical architecture structure with a desired theme he will use, and the plan mode is exactly for that. You can adjust things once he planned it without building the whole website, which saves time, saves credits, and we can see it here. Let's view it. On the right we have the plan. We have two roles, a shopper and an admin. We have core flows like the UX. We have technical requirements. We have design preferences. He will use a off-white background with deep walnut brown with honey amber accents and a sage green as a secondary accent. This looks good for me, so we just hit start building. So now the magic happens. We approve the plan. He's building now the full website, the full system, not only the front end, also the back end, the admin dashboard, the Stripe integration. Maybe we have to add an API key for Stripe, but that is fine. As I said, here we have to provide the Stripe secret keys and API keys, so you can set up all things correctly. We will add testing API keys for it. And here we have the result, and it's just astonishing. We have living rain. We have a hero shot here, a hero image, perfectly fitting to our wooden handmade product shop. We have selected works with their prices. If we scroll down further, we see some history. On the menu, we have different sites like Shop All, where we have all products available on our web shop. We can click on one like this one. We see the details of it, like the dimensions, materials, how many are in stock available. We can add it to the cart. On the top right we see the cart now. You see the order summary. You can now continue on shopping or proceed to checkout. Let's click on it. We have the checkout details here because we are not logged in yet. We have a payment secure form here and we can place the order. On the top you see the different sites which are available, like our product sites, cart, checkout, order confirmation, a login screen like this one here, and we have our admin dashboard. Let's click on it. As you can see, he already inserted test data, so we can watch the analytics here. We have a total revenue, total orders, total views, products, the top products which are sold, the recent orders of which customer. If we click on products, we can see all our products here which are featured. We can add products. Let's test it. Test 111, one in stock. It's a seating, dimensions, materials. We can add an image here, just create the product. As you can see, it's now available. If we go back on product, we have our test product here, which can be inserted into the cart. As you can see here, it's functioning, a full system, made by Base44. We can see the order history, which status they have, if they are delivered, shipped, processing, pending. And we have full analytics like revenue over time, the best sellers, most viewed, revenue by category, so we can optimize our products, our wooden niche to sell even more. So it's functional, it's working, it has a nice design, but maybe you don't like brown. Let's edit it, change the primary color brown to a light blue. Hit enter. He will now analyze our prompt, analyze the code he has written and change all accordingly to our desired choice. This is very handy because we don't need to edit any code here, just prompting natural language to generate our desired result. And as we can see, he is done. He did exactly what we wanted, but we have to adjust the other designs as well. Adjust the full design system so it fits to the new primary color light blue. Adjust selections, hoovers, charts, and more. So it's like your coding buddy, which are doing the dirty work for you. You just sit back and relax and watch his work. If we look at our plan here, we just used 4 message credits and 8 integration credits for it. Very cheap and very easy to use. And now it's much more fitting here. If we go back on the home screen, he also adjusted the hero shot here, the overviews, the titles, the text. All is fitting in one design system as we wanted it. Base44 just nail it. If you like Base44, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.